Right after we stopped recording that last one, we went to a beatboxing section. And
with my straightener. And look! It's broken right there and there on both.
Tyler broke his hair straightener.
I'm having a mental breakdown right now. I can't do this!
Please, everyone, please send Tyler the best of luck for his hair straightener. I'm not sure if he'll ever get over this one. His hair straightener is kind of sort of slightly his life, if you can't tell from the crying in the background. So, maybe you should send him some love.
My baby!
Seriously, before he dies.
No! No!
Bye, guys.